Of today have no manners. They dress like tramps and seem to have no respect for themselves or the respectable county folks around them. When I was merely a child, there were a set of unwritten rules a true southern lady must abide by. But today, no one seems to stay true to our deep and fertile roots. A true southern lady must sip not slurp. True southern women must dress respectably, no matter the weather. A well-covered blouse to cover your bosoms from the wandering eyes of the town trash, as well as a corset to keep your belly invisible. Now, Jean Louise, I've been telling you since you was a young lady, you must cover yourself up and start acting like a lady, you hear me? Dear old woman, I can do as I please. I'll see you for tea at noon. Who are you talking to, old woman? You're even scaring old Arthur Radley with your babble. So be it. I'm only trying to ensure you present yourself as a true southern lady. Even though a true southern lady does no longer exist, there is still some class left in Macomb. I just wanted to ensure my family does not have to suffer shame and embarrassment. This county and I do not, in this county, and I do not regret anything I've done or said. I just want the Finch name to stay true to what it was. And it has. Scout, no matter her preference of trousers and her filthy mouth, she has grown to be a lady. However, not a lady of my time, a lady nonetheless.